Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Snowflake to BigQuery with Fivetran, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer data from Snowflake to BigQuery using Fivetran, start by logging into your Fivetran account. If you don't have an account, create one on the Fivetran website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Add Connector button. In the list of available connectors, select Snowflake as your source. You will be prompted to provide your Snowflake account details. Enter your Snowflake account name, username, password, and the required warehouse and database information. After filling out the information, click on the Authenticate button. Fivetran will attempt to connect to your Snowflake account. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Next, select the specific tables or schemas you want to sync from Snowflake. Once you have made your selections, click on the Next button. Now, it's time to set up your destination. Choose BigQuery as your destination. You will need to enter your Google Cloud Project ID, dataset name, and authentication credentials. If prompted, authenticate your Google account to grant Fivetran access to your BigQuery environment. After authentication, confirm the destination configuration. Fivetran will provide a summary of your setup for review. Carefully check all the details to ensure accuracy. Once verified, click on the Save and Test button to finalize the configuration. Fivetran will perform a test to ensure that the data transfer setup is correct. If successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, set your sync frequency according to your project requirements. Fivetran allows options such as daily, hourly, or custom intervals. After configuring the sync frequency, save your changes. Your data transfer process is now set up. Fivetran will start syncing data from Snowflake to BigQuery based on the schedule you specified. Monitor the sync status on the dashboard to ensure everything runs smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.